everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes for the week of January the 29th. So as usual, I have already gone to the bank and I've picked up my cash, and I have my cash envelopes and sinking funds. I don't have a lot to stuff this week, so this should be a pretty quick video. Let's count this so that you guys know how much we're stuffing. Got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 30. So just $130 for the week. Let's just start here at the top with groceries. So I don't have anything left in groceries. I spent less than my $40 budget last week, and what was left over went into house savings. I am going to give myself $40 this week for groceries, and I've already started my list in my Walmart cart. I just use the Walmart app to build a grocery list so I can kind of get an idea of how much it might be, and I am definitely under $40 for the week, so I am 100% confident that I can get everything I need with just $40. I've got gas for my car. I have $10 left from the last week, and I'm adding 10 today, and I need to get gas. My gas light came on, so I definitely need to get gas today. So that gives me 20. Lawn care is not getting any money this week, and it's been a couple weeks since the guy came, but most of the leaves are gone and we don't have any grass left. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 55. So 155 in lawn. You know, if I am able to save up some money in this envelope, we might think about getting a lawn mower. I don't know if Carol Ann has the ability to do it. I suffer from chronic pain. I have a herniated disc in my neck, one in my back, and even like in the cleaning video I did recently, I had to take several breaks because my back hurt me so bad, and like doing work that requires a lot of standing is really painful. So I don't know that I would be able to mow the lawn. If I did, it would have to be, I'd have to take a lot of breaks, but maybe Carol Ann might be willing to do some mowing. And if so, maybe we'll buy a lawnmower if we accumulate a lot of money in this envelope. And worst case, if we decide to not go that route, I can always take this money out of here and reallocate it to home savings if we don't use it. That's always an option. Speaking of Carol Ann, she does not have any money in her cash envelope. I cash apped her allowance for these last 2 weeks. Spending is empty. The cleaning ladies came this past Wednesday, and I gave them the $100 that was in here. Moving on to my sinking fund categories, car maintenance is the first one. And as of the last stuffing, I had $80, and I am adding 20 today. So I should have 100 in here now. And I'm still about 1,000 miles away from needing an oil change. 20, 40, 60, 81. I work from home, which is why I don't have, I don't give myself a lot of gas money. And it takes me a really long time to drive 3,000 miles. I don't even remember the last time I got an oil change. I couldn't tell you how long ago it was. But car maintenance is growing nicely. Then we have gifts. This is for Mother's Day, Father's Day, and birthdays. And we're going to be adding 20 today, and that'll give me 80. I have 2 birthdays in the month of February. My niece has a birthday, and so does my grandbaby. 20, 40, 60, 80. And so for my grandbaby, I am crocheting her a stuffed animal. I'm doing a little bear. So I'm going to give that to her. And then I may just give the rest of her birthday money to her in cash, or I might go back to Hobby Lobby and get just a few supplies to make her a bracelet. I could do that too. But I'm not spending a lot of money this year on gifts. I am going to try to do more experiences, spending more time with people that I love, and not focusing on the gift giving. So anyway, that's gifts. And then next we have fur babies. I'm going to be adding 20 to this. That'll give me 100. So I think I did that wrong because there's two stuck together. 20, 40, 60, 81 for fur babies. And they don't need anything right now. So this should, grow nicely. Then we have my car insurance, and I am putting a little bit aside every month so that I can pay the premium in full, well, a 6-month premium in full. Today I'm adding $20. And that'll give me $385. So here's 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 5. So that's the last sinking fund category that I have. And Simba, I don't know if you could see his little paw over here. He's trying to get at my envelopes. And then last category that I have is for decorations and stickers. I'm not adding anything to this. Somebody's growling and hissing under me. And I still have the $20 in here. So I'm doing a no spend year, but I am allowing myself $10 for decorations from the Dollar Tree and $10 in stickers if needed in any given month, and the money does not roll over. So I've not spent any money in this category. And so this is going to stay in the envelope in the month of February, and it'll just hang out here. Hopefully I won't spend it, but if I do, then I'll get another 20, whatever the following month is. But the goal is to not spend it because I'm on a no spend year. I definitely don't need stickers for my planner. And my friend Lauren brought me a bunch of yarn when she came to visit from Virginia. And I've picked up crocheting again. And so I can make my own little decorations. So I really, in theory, I shouldn't need anything. So this is just an in case, but I shouldn't need it. So yeah, other than, some gift money needing to be spent next month, I don't really have a lot going on this week. I actually don't have anything going on this week. Nothing will come out of my sinking fund envelopes. Just, your regular grocery shopping is all I have. So anyway, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.